Making kimchi.
I thought you buy chocolate ice cream things in the fridge.
Huh? It's not an ice cream, it's a mochi.
That's not gross. Looks like a dying baby. A piggy. Bye-bye.
I like this HEB. This one, because it's not salty and it's not hard. It's much better than Spam. Sorry, Spam, but I like this brand.
It's not so good.
So, ganyan lang ang ingredients niya. Hindi ko siya lalagyan ngayon ng pork. So, tofu. Ewan ko ba kung bakit napaka-soft ng binili ng asawa ko. Super soft.
What is that?
And this pan, patiin natin yan. Whoop! Ganyan lang ang assemble. Assemble mo lang siya sa ilalim. Tapos tofu. Alternate. Tofu. And then this. Isa lang kasi yung tofu ko, kaya isa lang. Pero most of the time, pag may meat na pork, pwedeng tag isa lang. Isang tofu, isang meatloaf. Oh. We're done? See? And then, lalagay mo lang ito. Kimchi. Kimchi. Malinis sa kamay ko, ha? So, ganyan lang yan. Ilalagay mo lang yan dyan ngayon. Then, lalagay mo siya ng tubig. Make sure yung tubig is enough lang. Yung makakover lang siya hanggang ibabaw. Huwag naman yung parang lunod na lunod. Tingnan natin yan. Yan, ganyan lang. Tapos ito. Bandawan natin. Kasi may natirang ano. Alam mo yan. Nakapagpasarap kasi yan. Okay? Tapos, lagay mo sa stove. Turn on mo sa medium high. Add some little pepper. And that's it. Pwede mo siya lagyan ng salt kung kulang ka pa sa alat, pero ako hindi na masyadong naglalagay ng mga kung anong aning-aning kasi yung alam naman natin yung kimchi, marami na siyang ingredients, marami na siyang pampasarap. So, ano lang guys, tayo mo lang siya kumulo. Of course, tatakpan natin. And that's it. My kimchi, simpleng kimchi soup ka na at napakasarap. Kimchi soup. There you go, guys. Easy kimchi soup, guys. See? And it's healthy. Mm. Mm. Hot.